Hi, I'm Chris Pickering, Director of Sales for Light Efficient Designs, Solera Solar Lighting Business Unit. We're going to be doing an unboxing video today, talking about some of our off-grid solar products. This one is the RP-SFL Solar Floodlight. Completely off-grid, easy to install, no trenching or wiring required. It's a great product to use to light up a sign or a building facade in an area where you don't have easy access to the grid. Let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing and see what's inside. You always want to make sure you inspect the box for damage to make sure that nothing happened during shipment. But as you open the box, you'll see right away that it comes, here's the user manual. You want to make sure that you review that briefly to ensure that you have all the parts that are supposed to be there and that you have a good understanding of how the unit will operate. This box contains the mounting post. We'll go through that in just a second. And then we want to be careful as we're taking this unit out because the solar panel is on the bottom. So we'll get this guy out of the box, get the box out of the way. This unit is all in one, so it has the solar panel, the control electronics, the battery, all included in one housing. So here's our solar panel, and then on the front is the LED module. So let's take a look at the mounting hardware. That comes in a separate box. This is the mounting post. This is designed to be mounted onto a concrete pad. It comes with a tool to use the anti-theft bolts, as well as all of the bolts, washers that you'll need to get this mounted on a concrete pad. There's also a separate ground spike, which can be used to place the unit directly into soil if no concrete pad is available. So once you get the unit mounted onto the bracket, this bracket can be angled to aim the unit independently and ensure you get the best angle on the solar panel. There's also an optional ground spike that can allow you to install this directly into the soil without the need for a concrete pad. Now, when placing solar lighting, it's always a good idea to plan your project ahead of time. You want to make sure that your solar panel has good southerly exposure to maximize the energy collection on the solar panel. That's what's going to be charging the battery to make sure that this unit operates throughout the night. You also want to make sure that you have a good tilt on your solar panel so that you're maximizing your solar collection. That tilt should be approximately equal to the latitude of where you're doing your install. Once you've got that correct, then you can adjust the aiming of the LED module to ensure that you're lighting the piece that you want correctly. When installing a solar product, it's always a good idea to get the unit fully charged prior to installation to ensure that you have good operation. You can do that by merely sitting it outside, facing south on a good sunny day. Get a good 8 hours of charge on the solar panel to get your battery up to full charge. This unit happens to have a battery monitor on the side that allows you to see how far the battery is charged. So this one happens to be at 82%, that's good. And then there's an on-off switch, and this will allow us to turn the unit on and off. Right now it's in the off position. I'm going to depress it until you hear a click. And then when the solar panel is covered and it thinks it's nighttime, the unit will turn on. This unit will operate for 4 hours at full brightness and then go to 25% dimming for the remainder of the night. 1 day's charge on the battery should give you about 2 to 3 nights of operation out of the unit. To learn more about additional products available from Solera, visit our website at solera-solar.com.